Hey beauties, if you want to see how I got this look using these products, stick around. Hey everybody, it's beautiful Black Rican, where beauty is ageless. How's everybody doing today? I am doing wonderful. I'm especially excited today because I picked up some Juvias Place makeup, the new foundation that everybody is going crazy about. First things first, I'm going to use my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Mature skin, we must take care of our skin. This is her. First, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I will be using the brow pencil that will be in our beauty line. Women of Hearts Beauty is coming. I'm excited. A large percentage of all items purchased will be going to help domestic violence awareness. All right, along with the brow pencil, we will also have a brow gel in our beauty line, and I love this brow gel because it helps to lay the brows down and pretty much keeps them on all day. And this is our tinted eyebrow gel. Time to clean it up. I will be using the I Am Magic concealer I purchased from Juvias Place. This is 23. Let's take her out. Look how big and beautiful this is. I just think this is gorgeous, you guys. Let's clean these puppies up. And what I am noticing right off the bat is that this is a very creamy concealer. And I'm just going to work the rest of this product on the eyelids. Eyeshadow today, we will be using the Juvias Place, the Saharan by Juvias, and Afrique by Juvias. I don't know if that's Afrique, Afrique. Hooked on Phonics works for me. Somebody correct me, please. Before I start, I think I'm gonna set this concealer with some powder. I'll be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Illumination Powder. I will be using the Crayon Case Brush Cleaner to clean my brushes as I go. All right, I'm gonna use Katsina as my transition color. Cameroon. Next, I'm gonna go into Dakar, this beautiful orange here. Let's do some blending. And I'm gonna go in with Sokoto. And let's go in with some Wudabi. And I'm just gonna take my finger for Wudabi and put her right there. I'm going to take my Neutrogena. This is the Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelette. Cute little package. And we're gonna clean up some of this excess. Go ahead and take the tape off. Look how the tape just makes it nice and clean. For primer today, I'm going to use two primers. I'm going to use my No Problem Primer by Touch and Soul. And I'm also going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is the beautiful packaging. This again is Bogota. This is what she looks like. And we are hoping that she is my color. So let's begin. And they say a little goes a long way. So all right, I like her. So let's go on in with the concealer to brighten it up a little bit. And I'm not going to use a lot of this because I know she is powerful. Here. Ooh, down the nose. Here. And I'm using my damp Tarte sponge to work it in. All right, you guys. I'm gonna go back in with my Bye Bye Pores from It Cosmetics Illumination and set this baby. And I'm gonna go in with my BH Studio Pro. This is in the shade 230. And set the rest of the face. Now, let's get to contouring the face. I'm going to use the LA Colors I Love Makeup Contour Palette. And she is one of my go-tos. All right, let's get to contouring. All right, now it's time to blend. All right. And next I'm going to go in with my new highlighter from Juvias Place, the Heroin Loose Highlighter. This is the box. How pretty. And let's open her up. This is what she looks like. And I do not follow rules, so if you're wondering why I'm doing this before I do my blush, it's just something I wanted to try. Let's see how pretty this is. I'm in love. All right. And I am gonna take her under the brow bone and in the corners. Even though I already have that beautiful color there, I want it to really pop. Love it. Now let's get it under the brow bone. Boom. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with Milani blush. This is 02 Rose d'Oro. And I know y'all are saying, she's not gonna blend that out, blah, 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 blah. Calm down. I am going to blend it out by doing the blush. And I just think that brings it all together. All right, for setting spray today, I will be using the ColourPop All-Star Face Setting Spray. And I'm gonna go ahead and set her and get her dry so that we can finish up, because we're coming to the finish line, everybody. Let's go. All right, and while that continues to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and get my lashes together. Now today I will be using the Angel lashes that I received in Lashy Box's monthly subscription. How pretty she are. Look how pretty she is. And I will be using the glue from Callus. You can't see the name on it anymore, but this is from Callus. So let's get ready to work. All right, while the glue is getting tacky, I am going to use my Lancome Hypnosis Drama mascara. And I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my bottom lashes. All right, and then I'll use this again to combine these lashes to mine. Let's go ahead. All right, there's one pair, or one lash, should I say. All right, boom. And I'm just gonna let those dry a little bit. And while they are drying, let's move on to the lipstick of it all, you guys. The Festival Liquid Lip by Juvias. And this is going to tie it all together. How pretty. All right, I'll be using this color here. I believe it says Soil or Sail, I'm not sure, but I'll make sure to put the correct name in the description below. Let's see what she does for us. Ooh. Oh, that's very pretty, you guys. Very pretty. All right, let's go ahead and blend my lashes to these angel lashes. And come back down here for a little extra. Boom. And I am going to go ahead and use some liner. I will be using the eyeliner from Mally. Boom. And I just have a clear, I guess kind of gloss. It's not a gloss, but from CoverGirl. And I'm just going to put it over this lipstick. And this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed playing in makeup with me today, and I really love the Juvias Place makeup. I'm happy about the foundation and the concealer. I think that it worked out really nicely. I think that I look really pretty. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by my channel, Beautiful Black Rican. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And come back again, join the family. Let's have a good time. Remember, beauty is ageless, and we will have some pictures. Thanks everybody. Be blessed. Bye-bye.